As people, we usually want to be seen as who we are. Who am I? Are you interested in me to find out who I am and what I believe and what I think and maybe help me to succeed? But that's not always the case. Sometimes I'm with people who make me feel good, so it's easier for me to grow, it's easier for me to show who I am and not afraid of making mistakes. Sometimes I'm with people who limit my ability to show who I am, or I'm maybe afraid of making mistakes. Did you notice there's a difference? If you're with some people, you are more concerned, and if you're with other people, you're more free and carefree, and you just show who you are. Why? What's the difference? It's actually because of the view some people have on us, or the view we have on other people. So we don't see the world as it is, we see the world as we are ourselves. So if I believe that my employees or my friends or my customers, they are only there to help themselves and they don't care about other people, that's probably how I'll treat them. But if I believe that my employees or my customers or my friends, they are interested in other people, they want to grow, they want to participate, they want to learn, they want to be inspired and inspire other people, be helpful, be connected, that's probably also how I'm going to treat them. Do you recognize the mechanism? I'm sure you do. There was a guy called McGregor. He was a management consultant. McGregor, he made a small model that he called the X and Y theory, how you view upon human nature. We have the model over here, so let's look at it. He said, well, the X view of human nature is that you believe that, here it says, employees are lazy. It could be customers, it could be friends, it could be people in general, so you can replace employees with people if you don't have employees. He also said that, well, the X view of human nature is that the employees must be managed and checked up on. So I'm controlling rather than giving trust. The employees or people are not able to take responsibility. So why give them responsibility if they're not able to take it or to fulfill it? I don't believe that they are able. I don't believe that they are capable. So I'm the one dictating how they should do. I'm not even asking them, or what would you do if I was not here? No, I don't believe they are able to, so why should I? And the employees or people in general are looking for safety and security. They just want to be safe instead of sorry. So they are trying to do everything right, and that's why they need to be controlled. That's why I, who am more clever and more powerful, have to tell them what to do. You probably hear when I describe it that this is not very good if you want people to grow. It's maybe in some cultures, it's how they could work, but for sure in other cultures, it's not how you want to be perceived as a friend, as a human being, as a customer, as an employee. The Y view on human nature is more likely that you have trust and that you believe in the person and their abilities. So the employee or the person like to work and create results and to be self-managing and self-controlling. So they take responsibility, they are eager, they are dedicated, and they want to do it, not just because they get paid for it, but because it gives them some pleasure and satisfaction. They want to succeed. The employee is eager to take responsibility, so you want them to, they want themselves to give me some space, give me some responsibility within some framework, and I'm going to do my best. And then fourth, the employee is self-fulfilling. What does that mean? It means that I motivate myself by doing what I need to do and what I want to do and what gives me the success. Does it mean when I'm self-fulfilling that I don't need friends, or I don't need other people, or I don't need a manager and an advice? No, not at all. It just means that I'm able to fill myself up with satisfaction and recognition and caring, rather than just to seek it from others. Am I good enough? So these are two different ways how to view people. The question is, what do you think is the best if you want people to grow? How do you look at people? Do you have an X view on human nature, or do you have mostly a why view on human nature? It will certainly influence how you interact with other people. So it's a good question to ask yourself. What about your own manager, your friends, your wife, your husband? How do they look upon you? Is there something you have to adjust? Is there something you have to talk about? So I hope that you will get something out of it and make you think a little bit about both about your own behavior and how you treat other people, because you will get what you deserve. You will get what you are looking for. So ask yourself, what am I looking for in other people, and is it making them grow, or do I diminish them?